The Joy Business Thought Leadership Forum, where country manager of Raj Pharmaceutical, Philip Addison, has urged industries in the healthcare sector to see COVID-19 as an opportunity to relaunch their operations. According to him, this could be their breakthrough despite the heavy challenges presented by the virus. Dr. Anderson was speaking at the Joy Business Thought Leadership Forum on workplace safety during COVID-19. We have more in the following report.
The Joy Business and Crystal Health Center event focused on workplace safety in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. In dealing with the impact of the virus, industry experts proposed promulgation of a workplace safety policy to guide corporate institutions.
The ministry has supported the Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations, and then all the other labor relations organizations within the country to come up with kind of like a workplace guidelines as far as COVID-19 is concerned. And I think a portion of this is what Dr. Anderson touched on, as far as how staff or the employees, at the workplace are supposed to be managed to play their role in this COVID-19 era.
For a business, what do you really need to do to keep your place safe? You've got to be able to plan. You've got to be able to prepare. You've got to be able to respond. So I leave all of us with these three key principles. We plan, we prepare, and then we respond. So there's no one size fits all.
I explained that we both have roles to play as employers and employees. Now, what do employers have to do, employers and managers? The first thing is that we need to establish infection control strategies based on thorough assessment of our employees and the possible exposure based on the work they do. So there is the need for every employer and actually every workforce to take a quick look at their workplace and see how could they be exposed.
Country manager for Raj Pharmaceutical, Dr. Philip Anderson, believes the pandemic has presented an opportunity for industries to relaunch their market strategies.
A lot of things about COVID and the risk, but then this is also an opportunity for businesses to reintroduce themselves, to relaunch, because in every crisis there are opportunities. This is the time when they talk about pivoting and doing something else, which could actually be your breakthrough as a business. Now, you need to carefully look at what is going on, plan appropriately, and take the maximum benefit out of everything that is happening. There's this quote by John F. Kennedy, which says that when crisis is written in Chinese, it is two characters. One is risk, the other is opportunity. So wherever there are these risks, there are business opportunities, and people will need to look at it carefully and take advantage of it.
The one-day event also educated institutions on case management during a question and answer session.